Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best skateboard helmet you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Skateboarding is a fun and thrilling hobby, but if basic safety precautions are not done, it can be dangerous. Whether you are seasoned pro or just starting out, you must maintain a high level of safety because accident can occur at any time. Skateboard helmets are an important piece of safety equipment for skateboarders. There are several good skateboard helmets on the market, but each one has its unique set of advantages and disadvantages. So, we have compiled a list of the top 3 best skateboarder helmets you can buy to protect yourself. So, we have compiled a list of the top 3 best skateboard helmets that you can buy to protect yourself. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches, and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, JBM Skateboard. The JBM is a skateboard helmet that may be used for cycling, BMX biking, inline skating, and roller skating. This skateboard has adjustable strap and 3 size variations, allowing you to customize the straps and buckles to meet your specific demands. The JBM is made of robust and sturdy PVC and PC with EPS foam to increase compact and resistance and give you a high level of safety. Pros of JBM Skateboard: good impact resistance abilities, proper ventilation to keep your head cool while riding, and adjustable straps. Cons of JBM Skateboard: adjustable straps are not durable. On number 2, AAA Dual Certified Helmet. The AAA Dual Certified Helmet is a stylish and well-known safety helmet that comes in 2 colors and is made with EPS hard foam with a Sweatsaver technology. This helmet is made to drain moisture away from your face and keep it from leakage. The AAA Dual approved helmet is well ventilated, allowing sweat to escape quickly and leaving no stink behind. Although the shock absorbing firm rubber may break as a result of concealance, you need not be concerned because it will protect your head. Pros of AAA Dual: adjustable strap, advanced multi-impact design, and good ventilation. Cons of AAA Dual: the plastic on the outside of the shell is a bit thin, so it won't break easily. On number 1, AAA Sweatsaver Liner. The AAA Sweatsaver Liner has a round half-shell design, improve your skater's appearance. The skateboard is 4.33 long by 3.54 wide by 2.76 height and weighs less than 1 pound. This skateboard comes in 10 various colors and is composed of durable ABS plastic. Pros of AAA Sweatsaver Liner: its affordable price, stylish, and round shape. Cons of AAA Sweatsaver Liner: no MIPS, no fit adjustment dial. So guys, this was the video about the best skateboard helmet. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.